Dear students, we are talking about the divisional type of organizational structure within the multinational context, and in that we are discussing various organizational structures. We discussed matrix, and now in this topic we are going to talk about the mixed structure. Mixed structure combines the aspects of a matrix structure as well as a divisional structure. Organizations that have pursued one type of divisional structure, for either they have a geographical area divisional structure or a product divisional structure, go for the other type of organizational structure at various places. So organizations that pursued area structures kept their geographical profit centers but added worldwide product managers. This is a little bit complex to understand, but don't get worried. It's pretty much simple. इसमें होता ये है कि अगर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डिविजनल स्ट्रक्चर के तौर पे, एरिया डिविजनल स्ट्रक्चर के तौर पे एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, फॉर एग्जांपल नेस्ले पाकिस्तान, नेस्ले इंडिया, नेस्ले सऊदी अरेबिया, नेस्ले यूके, लेकिन उनको ये महसूस होता है कि किसी एक एरिया के अंदर उनको किसी अपॉर्चुनिटी है या कोई कंपेटिटिव एडवांटेज आप डिस्कवर करते हैं, और आपको फॉर एग्जांपल किसी प्रोडक्ट के जो है वो रॉ मटेरियल वहां से बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है. उस सिचुएशन में you create a product division in that particular area as well. So although overall your organization is divided according to geographical areas, but in one particular area what you do is that you assign a product manager जो कि उस particular product के बारे में, for example Fruta Vitals अगर है और आपको ये लगता है कि Fruta Vitals का जो प्रोडक्ट है उसको लॉन्च करने के लिए, उसकी मार्केटिंग करने के लिए, उसमें R&D करने के लिए आपको स्पेसिफिक उसके ऊपर फोकस रिक्वायर्ड है, जो कि नेस्ले पाकिस्तान के अंडर नहीं आप उसको मैनेज कर सकते, तो आप उस फ्रूटा वाइटल्स के प्रोडक्ट को एक सेपरेट डिवीजन असाइन कर देंगे. सो ऑल्दो योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ओवरऑल इज डिवाइडेड ऑन द एरिया स्ट्रक्चर, that what you do is that you assign product managers to a particular product in one domain. Similarly, on the other side, if your organization is divided on the product division structure, but in one particular area you feel that this area needs to be focused accordingly, you assign some area managers in that one particular area. So that is a mixed organizational structure. Real life examples of mixed organizational structure are, for example, in Colgate Palmolive, they had a basic area structure. So worldwide area structures, जिसमें obviously Colgate के जो products हैं, they are similar products. उनको आपको manage करने के लिए different product divisions की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So they are organized on a basis of area structure, but when they launched Colgate Dental Cream, that one product had the opportunity and that had the potential to hit a new niche market, and to counter that challenge, they established a product division structure of Colgate Dental Cream in their structure. Similarly, so this is area structure adding product structure in their mainframe type of structure. Then on the other hand, Motorola, which is an American company which makes smartphones and these communicating devices, they have a basic product structure type of a structure in which they look after different various products of their company. It's not based on area. But when they are selling in Japan, for example, Japan के अंदर बिकॉज कंपटीशन बहुत हाई है और वहाँ पे उन्हें ये लगा कि कल्चर को जो है वो जापान के कल्चर को टैप करना एक पर्टिकुलरली डिफिकल्ट काम है उनके लिए. तो उन्होंने जापान के लिए, बाकी सारी दुनिया में प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड उनके एरियाज थे, स्ट्रक्चर था, लेकिन जापान में उन्होंने ये किया कि उन्होंने area managers who were looking after the Japanese division of Motorola, they were assigned कि जी जापान को आपने मैनेज करना है. So that was mixing a product area structure with a geographical area structure.